Hi, this is Mike at Quickesign. I'm going to create a new multi-zone layout. From the layout screen, there's a new layout button, or you can go to the layouts menu and find new layout. And let's give this name multi-zone layout. Horizontal layout, and then click multi-zone. This has a few template options, but I'm just going to select no template, create new layout. Okay, by default it gives me one slideshow zone. You can see how if I click on it I can drag it around. I can also resize it by grabbing the corner. Additionally, you can use this zone location and dimensions to fine-tune the location of the zone. 2020 puts it nicely up in the corner with gives it a little bit of an edge in case your TV cuts off the edge. And you can change the width and height. Okay, now if you click on the zone, any kind of zone, you'll see all these properties, and with a slideshow you can click on details, and that's where you go to actually upload content. You can upload images and videos with this button here. Let's see. There's an image, and I'll just do some test video. So you can upload MP4 videos, PNG, and JPEG images. You can also bring in content from the library, either your own library or the Quickesign library. Oops. So once you have some content here, you can rearrange the order by clicking on it, dragging it. This here is the duration that it'll play, so 10 seconds. So it'll basically just go through the progression, play the image, play the next image, play the video, and then loop back to the beginning. I have a few settings here. The image can transition onto the screen, so let's say you want it to slide in, and the transition duration is how long it takes to slide onto the screen. 2-3 seconds usually looks pretty good. The scale to fit setting means the image will be as big as possible within that zone without actually skewing the image. Okay, so I like that. I'm going to close this. So you see this updated to be my first image in the slideshow. I can still move it around, resize it. Alright, let's say I want to have a text headline. So I can go over here and I can either double click on this or just drag it onto my screen. So this is a text zone and has some different properties like the color. You can change the text right here, or you can go into the details and you see it has actually multiple paragraphs of text as an option. You may just have one paragraph, or you could have any number. I'm going to call this paragraph 1, and I'm going to add another paragraph, paragraph 2. So you see now there's 2 paragraphs, and they'll each play for 8 seconds. So you could change that. You can also rearrange the sequence. This is great for like a news board where you want to have multiple messages come up one at a time. So you see that updated to say paragraph 1. When you have text fields, sometimes it's nice to put a rectangle behind them, as it allows it to stand out better, especially if you change the color to something distinctive. So now I have a rectangle and the text will appear on top of that rectangle. Let's add a date time. And let's just make this a big clock. Oops. So we've changed the format to like analog 1. That'll create a large analog looking clock with hands that move. The background for the page is a nice touch. So if you go up to the menu, click on background, you can choose background from the library of backgrounds or add your own background. I'm just going to select the brick wall. Once you select it, it's not saved yet. You have to hit save. Okay. So now I have a slideshow zone, a rectangle, a text zone, and a date time zone. I'm just going to hit save. This will just save everything I've done so far and keep me in the layout. Success. And now I'm going to preview the layout in the browser. So I go here, hit preview, and I'll go to full screen. Zoom and this icon in Chrome will take you to full screen. So you can see it does a test. It does play your layout as it would on the Roku or Fire Stick. Here's my text. You see it's changing from paragraph 1 to paragraph 2. I have a little video playing now and my big clock. Okay, now I'm back here in the layout editor and I'm just going to go to the save exit option to take me back. So this is my screens page. I have one device here and it's currently playing layout 1. Now I want to put the other layout on that device. So if we go to edit, and then here's my new layout, multi-zone layout. Since I'm in the standard version, I can only have one on the playlist, so when I select a different one, it just updates the playlist. There we go. Now I have my new layout assigned to my device.